Corrective exercise, warm-ups for the lower back pain, lower back injuries sometimes require a lot more attention. Crystal's on her back. She's going to practice some moves. The first one, hip oscillations. Legs are together, feet together. It's a small movement in the trunk. This is stimulating synovial fluid in the hip joints, lubricating the facet joints in the low back. 3 to 5 minutes, easy. Ultimately, the body has to get used to this low back movement. Blood flow is the key. So the second move, Crystal, are pelvic tilts. So her legs are slightly apart, shoulder width, and she's resting here, and she's doing a basic pelvic tilt right at the trunk. She's doing it repetitiously. She's drawing her hips in, pushing her low back flat to the mat, and then releasing. We're looking for 15, 20 pelvic tilts. Ultimately, when you get good at it, you start adding a little bit of speed, you go faster, but I do want you to release every pelvic tilt. These are tough moves. I can get more specific about those. Next one are bridges. So hands are braced against the back, the mat. You're pushing with your heels. You're squeezing the glute muscles, the hips, the low back. Go ahead and hold a bridge for me. Make sure you're breathing. That's the most important. Again, this is a low back, hamstring, glute muscles. You can always rest your hips on the mat in between repetitions. The goal is blood flow, not exactly fatigue. All right. So rest a little bit, Crystal. Now here's an advanced move. You know me, I'm always throwing progressions. Crystal's going to hold the bridge with that tilt. She's pelvically tilted. She's holding the bridge. She's breathing. She's using the low back muscles, the hip muscles. She can bridge a little bit higher. Go ahead, Crystal. Push a little higher for me. So one leg is holding, one leg lifts. Go ahead and just hold. Keep the tilt. Switch legs with the tilt. Yep, keep the tilt. And that's the thing. Keeping the tilt is how you engage core muscles. It's conscious effort. The tilt, there's breathing going on. Of course, the low back wants to break. Nice job. Anyway, this is just a quick video. I want to explain a lot more about it. Low back moves and warm-ups. All right, nice job. Thanks.